Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Pancakeswap with Metamask. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you simply need to type pancakeswap.finance. This will land you on the official website of Pancakeswap. Now over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your wallet with it. In order to do this, you will have to click on the connect wallet button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and after that, you need to select Metamask. Once done, the MetaMask wallet will open in front of you. That will look something like this. So over here, you need to select the MetaMask wallet, and after that, you need to click on the option of approve or connect. This way, you will be able to easily connect your MetaMask wallet with Pancakeswap. Now, once this step is done, you just have to scroll down and then tap on the Trade Now button. Then you will be landed on this swap page. Now over here, if you want to swap any other coin to cake or any other coin, then you will have to select it as swap, and after that you need to select your coin that you want to swap. Let's say I want to swap from BNB to USDT, so I'll simply select the USDT pair. Then you will have to enter the amount of BNB that you want to swap. Then it will show you the equivalent USDT. Over here, you need to press the swap button, and then you just have to wait for some time until your transaction is complete. If you want to earn over here, then you can even press the earn button in the top, and then you will be landed on the earning page where you can farm your coins. Basically, you can stake your coins over here, and in return you can get various other coins. So if you want to stake them, then you just have to select the pair that you want to stake. After selecting it, you will have to press the start farming option over here, and this way you will be able to easily use Pancakeswap with Metamask. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.